rock, step, triple step to the side. Three, excellent, go. Triple step, finishing with the point. Chest up, smile, feel good, and go. And rock, step, triple step, finishing with the point. Excellent. Go rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Excellent. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. And a rock, step, cha, cha, cha. And a rock, step, cha, cha, cha. You did very well. Let's try it together.
Okay.
Same step,
Yeah.
same procedure.
Yeah.
But the only difference, we're gonna have this high 10 position and we're gonna have slight pressure towards each other so we can feel each other. So stay like this, you're gonna go back, rock, step. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Go front. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. And a rock, step, cha, cha, cha. And a rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Great. Now, anytime I move forward, I give you a slight push and you slight resist back. So you see here, rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Now you going forward, so you're gonna give me a slight push and I will resist you. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Now we can do exactly the same, but instead of high 10, high 5. Only one hand, the other hand here. So you're going rock, step, cha, cha, cha. 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 That's great. Now, next level, we're gonna do it in the close position, close hold. Very beautiful, very formal. So we look like a superstar. And rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Next level, we're gonna do same step, but slightly change direction. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Excellent. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. The next level, you'll do same step, and you're gonna give me a little bit hip action, Cuban motion, sexy hips. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. That's right. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. 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 You did very well.
Thank you.
Next level, level 15.
Okay.
You're gonna do rock, step, and underarm turn. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. I let go this arm. You put arm on your waist. Do cross step, cross, turn, cha, cha, cha. Rock, step, cha, cha, charm here. Cross, step, cha, cha, cha. You did very well. Next one. If we face mirror here, we can do rock steps any direction we want. So when we do basic, we do rock step back, then we do triple step, then we do rock step front, then we do a triple step. But now, yes, rock step front, triple step. Now we will slightly change it up to make it more variety. So we'll do 2-time rock step back. It looks like this. Rock, step, cha, cha, side, and then we do again backward rock step. Rock, step, cha, cha, side. Rock, step, cha, cha, side. Excellent. Rock, step, cha, cha, side. Very good. Now you will feel in my leading that I'm slightly going past you. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. And we have our shoulders close to each other. Therefore, it will be called shoulder to shoulder, shoulder to shoulder, shoulder to shoulder.
Okay, all right.
Not really have to physically put it like this, but the structure of the step will make it look like our shoulders slightly touching. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha. Now let's combine all the steps you know. So you know just a regular basic, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha. Then we do turn basic, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha. We do shoulder to shoulder, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock. Yeah. Very good. One more time. Let's give it a try. Okay, so you have a rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha, underarm, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, and here, you see, here you have to follow because it's going to be different. You see, I'm slightly giving you that push, so it means you're going to go back this time. Rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step. Because normally from the left, you're going forward, but this time you're going to go back because it's a shoulder-to-shoulder step. Let's try that small combination again. Doing very well. And rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, underarm, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, and almost there. So you see, I'm changing my shoulders. Yes, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha, stop. Now we will introduce one more turn. This was underarm turn. Now to this side, we have a spot turn. So you go cross, turn, cha-cha-cha. Now I go underarm turn, cha-cha-cha, cross, turn, cha-cha-cha. Excellent. Very good. Let me demonstrate for you little steps how to do it even better. So you will cross here, cross, then replace weight, then go cha-cha-cha. So it's you have a turn one side and another. Let's try from the turns. And rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step. Excellent. Cha-cha-cha. You did very well. Wow. So let's do it all with music. And little hearts to the camera. Like this. Come. Heart. Look through the heart. Who is there? Who you see there? You see me. Very good. And I see you. Excellent.